So we welcome Mr. Ravi Vaware, Managing Director, Ivar Consultants Private Limited, Vadodara, on Indian Business TV. Ivar Consultants Private Limited is one of the top-notch talent acquisition organizations in India, and we would be happy to know more about it from Mr. Ravi Vaware himself. So to begin the process, let me ask you, what inspired you to start the company and how did you start it?
Thank you so much for the introduction and inviting me on your TV channel. To answer to the first question, I think there is no single point or factor which inspired me to be in business. It is combination of three factors particularly. First is strong desire to be a business person. Second factor is strong desire to generate employment opportunities. And third factor is willingness to translate the idea or right opportunity into a successful business model. Now, when I look back, I realized that my desire to be a business person was developed during my industrial training as a part of a BPharm degree. When I was first doing my industrial training at Concept Pharma Aurangabad, I started looking at industry as an unit and looked at various functions in industry. And there, I think my idea of becoming a business person was born rather than continuing as a technocrat. This desire was further nurtured during my MTech HRD studies at IIT Kharagpur. During IIT Kharagpur days, I started reading a lot of biographies, autobiographies, a lot of articles, and even interviews of successful business people. I remember spending more time in IIT Kharagpur's library and being one of the first person to read the recent Harvard Business Review magazine's edition. IIT Kharagpur also used to have a very unique practice of having no classes on every Wednesday or Thursday, if I remember correctly, post-lunch session. And they used to invite a guest lecturer or a distinguished IIT alumni for interactive session. Now, I was always part of these sessions, and these sessions further fueled my desire to be a business person. Subsequent to IIT, the reading habits, the same habits of reading about successful businessmen continued, and this actually further intensified the desire. Now, during my work experience with Alembic Pharma at Vadodara in their corporate HR for about 6 years, I realized that there was a huge gap between what industry was looking for and what recruitment consultants were offering to industry in terms of profile, speed, quality, and so on. And there I sense an opportunity to start a business to bridge this gap. Looking at this opportunity, I decided to leave my job and start the business, which I did it in 2004. And ever since in 2004, we are continuously strengthening ourselves in talent acquisition industry in pharma, biotech, and CRO. So I'm really indebted to my uh, BPharm college, that is Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and IIT Kharagpur for developing and nurturing the seeds of entrepreneurship in me, and also to LM Big Pharma for providing the practical HR experience which was required to be successful in any business.
What is your core business?
Our core business is leadership level talent acquisition. We provide leadership level talent acquisition services to various industries, including pharma, biotech, and CRO industry. And we cater to requirements right from manager to CEO level. We have separate teams for meeting managerial and middle level requirements, than executive search requirements. And beside executive search assignments, we also cater to industry mapping services and also specialized in interview techniques.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
I would like to say that that's in two portions. One is our core strength in terms of technical business perspective, and another strength in terms of organizational values. As we are specialized into pharma, biotech, CRO, industry talent acquisition services, uh, our team is very high in terms of technical understanding, and the requirements are also very high in technicalities. So the first core strength is quality of services. From our side, no profile will go without properly checking the quality. So we only share the profiles which are matching, which are relevant, and which are confirmed for the client requirement. The second strength which we have is speed. Our speed is amazing. We guarantee that within first 24 hours of taking any assignment, we share at least 3 to 5 relevant, confirmed, and matching profiles. The third strength lies in a better relationship management with clients as well as candidates. My team is available 24 by 7 for any coordination feedback mechanism to any client or candidate, so that the process continues. And more importantly, when we are in recruitment services, particularly at executive search level, we provide a 2 3 pages executive summary of the candidate, our profile. Now, this executive summary captures all required details, minute details, including their qualification, their age, their team size, their reporting pattern, upward, downward, their entire career history, the kind of fitment into the position, their compensations, their family background, and why do they want to change for the current requirement. So it captures all the required details, and our experience says that most of the time, companies even do not look at biodata, they just look at these first 2 3 pages of executive summary, and based on which candidate is either selected or shortlisted or rejected at profile level. So that's the value addition which we do through executive summary. In terms of organizational values, we are very high in organizational values, and entire team is uniformly practicing the values in the organization. Our values remains like customer orientation, performance driven, value addition, trustworthiness, integrity, speed, and teamwork. We also have weekly sessions to revise our values on weekly basis, so that it becomes part of our day-to-day cultures and activities in the organization. In nutshell, I'll say that we are a value-based organization focusing on customers and driven by performance.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
Actually, these achievements are to be shared by client, but since you have asked, let me throw some light into it. When we started in 2004, we started as an organization, talent acquisition organization specialized catering to junior level requirement. Then we shifted to middle level, and currently we are more focused into leadership level talent acquisition solutions. In last 16 years, we have reached to the leadership level or top position in talent acquisition services specialized in pharma, biotech, CRO, and chemical industry. We have migrated from junior level requirement catering organization to the leadership level requirement catering organization with multinationals, Indian multinationals, and upcoming Indian organizations. We currently cater to about 35 odd locations in country, more than 10 countries across the globe, and we have more than 90 satisfied customers with us. Now, these are some of our credential and achievements, I would say.
How much strong is your brand?
Oh, well, uh, we are known across the industry, not only in India, but even globally. Most of our business happens through reference services, meaning the existing client refer us to some other new clients, or when somebody goes somewhere else, they hire our services. It is only possible when we do good job with the current organizations and provide them best of the services and best of the feedback mechanism or whatever profiles, whatever required in this business. We are respected amongst our clients, also with the candidates at middle and senior level across the country and globally. It is not that they know about Ivar, but they also know about most of the team members and team leaders which Ivar has currently, which are catering to pharma, biotech, and CRO segment. Now, this that the kind of clients which we have, MNC clients, Indian multinationals, and upcoming companies, the reputation in market, the awareness of Ivar about in the entire Indian industry as well as globally gives strong sense of or the reflection of the brand identity Ivar carries, particularly in pharma, biotech, CRO, and chemical industry in India and globally.
How do you see the challenges in pharma talent acquisition?
Pharma being the second industry representing India across the globe after IT, it is highly driven by technicalities, number one. Number two, so recruitment consultants needs to have a lot of in-depth understanding about the technicalities required in pharma. It is second is pharma is highly regulated, meaning every country will have a lot of regulatory requirements if companies want to cater to those countries' requirements. Third is it is product specific as well as market driven. Now, this makes talent acquisition quite challenging because you don't only need to look at function, designation, and experience, but beside that, there are various complicated complications in terms of technicalities, in terms of regulations, in terms of products and market specifications. And we at Ivar, we are well trained and equipped to meet all the challenges, and we have been doing it successfully since last 16 years, and that's how we are one of the leaders in pharma hiring across the country.
What would you like to highlight about the team?
Yes, we have a very well trained team, and our team is very well known across the country. It is very technically competent team. And since we are into pharma, biotech, CRO, and chemical industry majorly, we have structured our teams into different verticals, meaning our teams looking after manufacturing and operation requirement is different than teams looking after R&D requirement, than team looking after quality and regulatory requirement, than team looking after corporate functions like HR, finance, supply chain, IT, legal, sales and marketing, and so on. Now, these teams are headed by senior level people at relationship manager, team leaders level. And because of their technical understanding and specific relationship management with one function, there is a great amount of bonding with candidates by my team, and detailed understanding gives us focused approach while catering to client requirement. When we go to client, we have specific dedicated relationship managers which are required for smooth coordination with client. And more or less our team is stable. Organization is 16-year old. There are many people who are 13 plus years old in the organization. And if we talk about 5 years plus experience in the organization, maybe more than 70% of our team is 5 years plus in experience in the organization. That talks about the kind of retention which we have, and which gives us age because we have experience, technically competent and stable team, and that gives us age in catering to the most difficult assignments in our segment.
Who are your blue chip clients?
We cater to more than 90 satisfied customers across the globe. You name the top multinationals and Indian multinationals as well as upcoming companies in country, particularly from pharma, biotech, CRO and chemical segments, and most of them are our client. And we believe that all our clients, irrespective of their size, they are blue chip clients for us.
What are your secrets of success?
I would say that it is combination of many factors. Number one is at organizational level, we have created an organization which is a system driven organization, which is focused on customers and result oriented, value based organization. At team level, we have, as I tried to tell you before a minute, we have very stable team, experienced team, technically competent team. Both these factors put together is a good combination. And more importantly, at family front, my wife is also a director. She being a director of the company, she gives lot of inputs on day to day basis in bringing improvements and new practices in the organization, and she has her lion's share in the entire success story of this organization. I am also thankful to my two daughters, whom I popularly or fondly call as angels, for giving me uninterrupted time at home, and also sometimes giving very valid suggestions for bringing some improvements at work level.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
I see we have great future. Uh, in terms of saying that we would like to cater to more number of clients, we would strengthen our catering capacity to existing clients by bringing best of the available talent for their requirement, and also by uh, enhancing the standards of our services. In times to come, we would like to increase our footprints by setting up more offices and branches in India, and also hopefully globally.
Any other important point you may like to share?
Yes. Unlike many consultants which are there in industry, we are not a kind of touch and go consultant. Meaning wherever we are working since long run. We are working with organizations for about 10, 15 years consistently. Uh, Started with some of the organizations as a junior level consultant, and now we are in the topmost category. This is not possible without having best of the services, best of the practices, best of the value systems, and best of the organizational culture. Otherwise, it is not possible to hold multinationals, whether Indian or foreign multinationals, and upcoming organizations continuously for such a long time. Secondly, taking social responsibility seriously, we are also providing financial aid to needy and meritorious students for their education through IVER Foundation. IVER Foundation is a charitable organization which is aimed at helping people in different aspects, with be it education, be it medical assistance, or be it anyway. It is aimed to help the needy people who actually need the help. Uh, in totality, we are here to create an organization which is not only focused on customer deliverables and orientation, but also making difference to careers of the professionals we deal with and contribute to society in large. If I have to put it in nutshell, uh, IVER is an value-based organization, customer-focused, result-oriented organization. We bring best of the talent, available talent to the client's requirement. We provide best of the career opportunities to the candidate, and we are socially responsible organization.